Hello all. We know how to do Python programs in the mobile app pydroid3. Okay, but when we use some when we use some packages like numpy, matplotlib, Scipy, seaborn, etc., then the program may not be run and it may show some error messages like this. Okay, that is import numpy as np, the module not found, error. That means numpy module is not installed in your application. Okay, so when this happens, we have to install numpy into that. Similarly, if matplotlib and Scipy are not installed, the same error messages will come. So to install this one, we have to click on the three bars on the left top and select pip. Okay, pip. Now pip, just write the library name numpy. Okay, numpy. Then click on install. So here we have a checked use pre-built libraries repository. Just install. Now when you click on install, it shows again a message like pydroid repository plugin is missing and get plugin disable repository. Okay, now as I want to install numpy from this program, you just click on get plugin. Okay, now when you click on this, it will go to the Play Store and will ask you to install pydroid repository. Okay, now you click on install. It needs around 173 MB. Okay, so now it is installing. Now only during the installation you need this pydroid repository in your mobile. After installing whatever packages you require, you can delete of the or uninstall the pydroid repository, so that if storage is a concern, then you can do so. Okay, otherwise you can keep it. Now pydroid repository is installing. That takes some time. Okay, now it's installed. The pydroid repository plugin is installed. Now you go back to your program. Okay, now here you have installed the repository, and automatically the pip command will execute it, and numpy is getting installed. Installed numpy successfully. The version is 1.26.26.1. Okay, now it is finished. Now this is done, so we can go back and see the program whether it is working. Now I have already installed matplotlib and Scipy as well as seaborn. So similarly, you should also install matplotlib for plot purposes and Scipy, which is over the numpy for scientific calculations, and then seaborn for the plotting the graph. Okay, so here I am just clicking on the run button. Now you can see the errors are removed, and if the program is correct, it will show you the graph. Okay, the normal distribution. Okay, so this is how you can do the programs in the mobile app using the packages. Okay, now go back. So you should also have matplotlib, scipy, etc. So if you want to see what are the libraries or the packages you have included in your pydroid, just click on the three bars and go to the pimp and just move back so that you can see libraries, and here we can see all the libraries that is installed in a matplotlib is here, numpy is here, the pandas are there, and then Scipy is installed and seaborn is installed. So these are all the requirements for our programs. And okay, now it is successfully done. Okay, that's all.